Hi, welcome to Laura's Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how I made this Venom Mask. I blew up a balloon and paper mache'd it to the size of my head, let that dry overnight. Then I traced the smile and Venom's eyes and I cut those out. Then I paper mache'd with black tissue paper. This made it easy so I wouldn't have to deal with paint or anything like that and made a cool effect. I let that dry, and for support I added like a ball. I covered a ball in a plastic bag, and then after that dried overnight I added some more paper mache for the neck part of Venom's mask. Let that dry overnight, and while that was drying overnight I made the teeth. So I got a poster board and cut a bunch of triangles and folded them in half and glued them. I made about 25 teeth. You can make more depending. I just wanted to be able to see through the mask and not have a bunch of teeth in my way. So once the mask dried, I cut the teeth shorter and glued them, hot glued them to the inside of the mask. And then I glued a poster board paper to the eyes. I kind of cut out the shape so it just fit just right and hot glued them to the eyes. And then I added details of hot glue, made it look like it was slobbering on all the teeth. I let that dry, and then I added some more details with some watercolor paint. I added black and some red to look like blood. And there you go, and that's how I finished my Venom mask. I made this well under the budget of $3. It was pretty much the black tissue paper, the Elmer's glue that I used, the hot glue gun stuff that I used, and the poster board, and that's pretty much the cost that it came out to be. Anyways, I hope this helps, and if you want to be Venom this year for Halloween, this is a great route to go, and it kind of makes it so if it gets destroyed during Halloween, it's no big deal. It's only $3. And there you go. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Check out my other videos of paper mache costumes and crafts.